Welcome to Northwest Fudge Factory. Today, I'm going to walk you through the super simple process of making our world-famous cream and butter fudge in your microwave. To begin, your case of fudge mix contains 4 large bags of mix 1 and 2 small bags of mix 2. If you are planning on making chocolate fudge, you will also need a portion of our chocolate mix. Before we start, let's review what equipment you should have. You'll require a heavy-duty mixer with a flat beater attachment, a Queasy Pro Deluxe batter bowl, some 3-quart microwavable batter bowls, Northwest Fudge Factory custom silicone molds, a spatula, a kitchen scale, timer, and a large microwave capable of holding the large batter bowl and with a 900-watt output. The silicone molds can be found on our website, www.northwestfudgefactory.com. For all other items, we will have either a link or a description so that they can be found online, typically amazon.ca. Moving on to ingredients, you will require 1 full green bag of mix 1 and half a red bag, 500 grams, of mix 2. You will also need 1/2 pound of salted butter, 1 3/4 cups of boiling water, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, your desired flavoring, cooking spray, and if you are planning on making chocolate fudge, you will need some Northwest Fudge Factory chocolate mix and an extra 1/4 cup of water set aside. To begin, add roughly half of a pouch of mix 1 to the large batter bowl. Add 1 1/2 cups for a firmer fudge and 1 3/4 cups of boiling water, and mix for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high. Add the remainder of the pouch and be sure to stop the blender and scrape any loose powder from the beaters, sides, and bottom of bowl. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and thoroughly blended. Microwave for 5 minutes. While in microwave, measure out 1/2 of the mix 2 pouch, 500 grams, and cube up the 1/2 pound of salted butter. Remove from microwave and continue to mix while adding cubed butter and desired flavoring. When butter is completely melted and blended, add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 500 grams of the mix 2. Allow to mix on low until mostly blended. Microwave for an additional 5 minutes. Remove from microwave. At this point, if you want to make chocolate fudge, add 300 grams, which is 1/4 of the chocolate mix pouch, and 1/4 cup of water. Continue to mix for 8 to 10 minutes. If you just want the plain base, you will need to mix for the needed 8 to 10 minutes. Place the silicone mold on scale and zero out the weight of the mold. Coat the silicone mold with cooking spray for easy release of fudge when set. Pour into silicone mold to 2,270 grams, which will yield 5 pounds. This will be approximately 1/4 of an inch from the top. If you have a partial silicone mold that is firm or soft, simply take a bit out, microwave for approximately 10 seconds, and swirl with your new layer added. If you are using an existing silicone mold with fudge, your total weight will be 2,724 grams, and that will include the weight of the silicone mold. Allow to set overnight. and if desired, score each half-pound slice as marked. Congratulations! You've just made our world-famous cream and butter fudge that will have customers coming back time and time again.